Hold on to your hats, folks, because the world of cryptocurrency just got a whole lot more interesting. The digital landscape is ever evolving, and just when you think you've seen it all, something new and unexpected pops up. Enter Super Trump, or STRUMP as the cool kids call it. This isn't just another coin, it's a phenomenon that's capturing the imagination of many. Now before you start picturing a coin with a tiny comb over, let's be clear, this is a meme cryptocurrency. It's designed to be humorous and satirical, poking fun at the political landscape. It's about as related to the actual Donald Trump as a cheeseburger is to a balanced diet. In other words, it's more about the joke than any real connection. That said, this digital currency is trying to build an ecosystem around the, shall we say, principles of Trump's political legacy. It's a bold move, aiming to attract a specific audience. What does that even mean? Honestly, it's anyone's guess. The intentions behind it are as clear as mud, leaving many scratching their heads. But hey, in the wild west of crypto, stranger things have happened. The unpredictability is part of the charm and chaos of the cryptocurrency world. One thing's for sure though, Super Trump is grabbing headlines. It's making waves, whether for its novelty or its sheer audacity. Whether it's because people are genuinely interested in its potential or just morbidly curious about its absurdity, STRUMP is a talking point. Conversations are buzzing, and debates are heating up. And in the world of cryptocurrency, that's half the battle won. Getting people to talk about your coin is a significant achievement, and STRUMP has certainly managed to do that. Let's cut to the chase. How's STRUMP doing in the market? This cryptocurrency has been the talk of the town lately, and for good reason. As of December 8, 2024, one STRUMP will set you back a cool $0.002927. It might not sound like much, but in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies, every decimal point counts. Not exactly Bitcoin territory, but hang on. That price represents a 12.1% jump in just the last 24 hours. Such a rapid increase is enough to catch anyone's attention. And over the past week, try a whopping 38.4% surge. This kind of growth is what dreams are made of for early investors. The trading volume is nothing to sneeze at either. Over $7.9 million worth of STRUMP changed hands in the last day alone. This level of activity indicates a high level of interest and confidence among traders. That puts its market cap at a respectable $6,782,353. For a relatively new player in the crypto space, this is quite an achievement. Of course, every cryptocurrency has its ups and downs, and STRUMP is no different. The market is notoriously unpredictable, and what goes up can come down just as quickly. It hit an all-time high of $0.02928 back in June 2024, only to dip to a low of $0.001734 on December 3, 2024. Such fluctuations are part and parcel of the crypto game. Talk about a roller coaster ride. The highs and lows can be thrilling, but also nerve-wracking for investors. The question now is, will STRUMP continue its upward trajectory, or is this just another pump-and-dump scheme? Only time will tell. Investors will need to keep a close eye on market trends and news to make informed decisions. Alright, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of STRUMP's tokenomics, shall we? As of right now, there are 2.3 billion STRUMP tokens out in the wild. That's the circulating supply, and guess what? That's also the total supply. No surprises there. But hold your horses, because here's the kicker. The maximum supply is capped at 2.6 billion STRUMP. So, there's a limited number of these digital coins out there, just waiting to be snatched up. Now what does all this mean for you, the discerning investor? Well, it means STRUMP could be susceptible to something called scarcity value. The fewer coins available, the more valuable they become, at least theoretically. Of course, this assumes there's enough demand to go around. Section 4. Where to buy your Super Trump coin. So, you've heard the hype, you've seen the admittedly volatile price charts, and now you're wondering, where can I get my hands on some STRUMP? Well, you're in luck because there are several options available to you, each with its own set of advantages and considerations. Fear not, intrepid investor, because STRUMP is available on both centralized and decentralized exchanges. This means you have the flexibility to choose the platform that best suits your needs and comfort level. For the uninitiated, centralized exchanges are like the big box stores of the crypto world. They offer a one-stop shop experience, making it easy for newcomers to get started. Think Gate.io, Mex, BingX, Bitmart, xt.com, LBank, DigiFinex, and Novadax. These platforms are well known and trusted in the crypto community. They're user-friendly, regulated, and offer a wide variety of coins. This makes them a great choice for those who are new to the crypto space or prefer a more straightforward approach. But be warned, they also come with fees and potential security risks. It's important to do your research and understand the terms and conditions before diving in. If you're feeling a little more adventurous, you can always dip your toes into the decentralized world of Uniswap V2 on the Ethereum network. This option is ideal for those who value privacy and control. It's a bit more complex, but it offers greater anonymity and control over your assets. You'll need to be comfortable with managing your own security and understanding the intricacies of decentralized finance. Just be sure to double-check those gas fees. They can be brutal. Always factor in these costs when planning your transactions to avoid any unpleasant surprises. Section 5, MetaMask and STRUMP, a quick guide. Alright, so you've bought yourself some STRUMP, congratulations. Now you're probably wondering how to store your newfound digital treasure. Well, one popular option is MetaMask, a handy browser extension that acts as your personal cryptocurrency wallet. Adding STRUMP to MetaMask is easier than you might think. You can import it as a token using its contract address, 0x7039CD6D7966672F194 E8139074C3D5C4E6DCEF65. Don't worry, you don't need to be a coding whiz to figure this out. You can either manually input the address or use CoinGecko's MetaMask extension for a one-click solution. Once you've added STRUMP to your wallet, you can easily send, receive, and manage your tokens. Section 6, Community Buzz and Future Predictions. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Is STRUMP just another flash in the pan, or does it have real staying power? Well, the community sentiment is surprisingly bullish. People are excited about STRUMP's potential, and the recent price surge has only fueled the fire. Of course, it's important to take all of this with a grain of salt. The cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile, and what goes up can just as easily come crashing down. But hey, stranger things have happened. Remember Dogecoin? What started as a joke now boasts a market cap in the billions. Could STRUMP follow a similar trajectory? It's not impossible, but one thing's for sure, it's going to be a wild ride. Section 7, a word of caution, DIOR. Before you remortgage your house and go all in on STRUMP, let's take a step back and talk about the importance of doing your own research, or DIOR. The cryptocurrency market is a wild, unregulated frontier, and there are plenty of scams and pump and dump schemes out there. Don't just take my word for it, or anyone else's for that matter. Do your own due diligence. Read the STRUMP white paper. Understand the tokenomics. Research the team behind the project. And most importantly, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember folks, investing in cryptocurrency is inherently risky. This is not financial advice. I'm just a comedian with a microphone and a healthy dose of skepticism, so be smart, be cautious, and maybe, just maybe, you'll strike it rich in the wacky world of cryptocurrency.